Boldt HVAC is a leading HVAC company dedicated to providing top-notch heating and cooling services. We specialize in AC repair, furnace installation, and energy-efficient solutions to keep your home or business comfortable year-round. Our skilled technicians deliver reliable, high-quality workmanship with a commitment to customer satisfaction. Whether you need routine maintenance, emergency repairs, or a full system replacement, we have the expertise to handle it all. As a trusted HVAC provider, we ensure your indoor climate stays perfect no matter the season. Contact us today, Boldt HVAC, for expert HVAC services that keep your indoor environment perfect in every season. Are you looking for an HVAC company near me? You can stop looking. You found Boldt HVAC. What services does Boldt HVAC offer as an HVAC company? Boldt HVAC provides heating and cooling installation, repair, maintenance, ductwork, air quality solutions, and emergency HVAC services. Is Boldt HVAC licensed and insured? Yes, Boldt HVAC is a fully licensed and insured HVAC company, ensuring quality service and customer protection. What is your HVAC company office in Eagan, Minnesota? Our local HVAC company office have served the areas of Eagan, Apple Valley, Burnsville, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemouth, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Minnesota. Where is your Boldt HVAC office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website, http://www.bobfic.com/.